Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. We're gonna go straight to it. Today, I'm actually in Denver, Colorado, and I'm changing a dump valve on my Volvo. Bought a new dump valve, so I have to change it. So yes, this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change a dump valve. All right, guys. So here's the reason why we're changing the dump valve, because this right here, the nuts broke off the lever here, and basically what happened was whoever installed this last time, this dump valve, messed something up and used Loctite. So this was loose, this lever was loose, and I tried to tighten it, but instead of tightening it, it broke off the nut. So that's why we're changing it. So this dump valve is going to be changed. It's not coming off, but it may come off. So that's how it's going to be. All right, next you're gonna grab is 11 millimeter wrench, and we're gonna take off the nuts on these two right here. Alrighty guys, so once you unscrew that, you take that out and you the nuts just in case you need them for something. But next we're gonna unscrew, we can leave this one on up there, but next we're gonna unscrew here. So to do that, you're gonna need 10 millimeter socket going in here, and then on the other side to put it, you're gonna need another 10 that goes right over here to hold it, and that's it. Time to unscrew that now. Alright guys, so once you've done that, see it moves freely, it's out of the place. Keep the old bolts and washer and nut, because you might need it later. Now we're gonna go to the top of the truck and take out all the airline fittings, pop them out, all of them. Keep in mind, make sure you got no air in your air tank. Sorry for that interruption. Make sure you got no air in your air tank so you can be able to pop them out, because when it's under pressure you can't pop it out. Alright, so I'm here on top of the truck. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, with one set of hands, you're gonna pull on this, like into this metal, and then pull on the line. That's all you're gonna do, and do the rest of them like that. If you can't pull it, just use pliers. Alright guys, another word of advice, make sure you took pictures up there how all the airlines are fitted before doing. Now it's time to assemble this one, exactly how this one looks out of all those. Alrighty guys, so these things churn. These things churn to your angle as you tighten them right here. But what you may want to do is tighten this metal with a set of pliers or a wrench if you have a wrench big enough. Alright, that's the finished product guys. Now I'm gonna attach one of these guys over to the end up here. Alright guys, so I decided not to install the old one. I decided to keep it as an the new one, decided to keep it as a spare part because it is a bit longer for some reason than this one. So I'm thinking it would work because this thing lifts up and down, but when I'm trying to tighten these, this spins, so I don't know what to put on that side. So this will be just a spare part. But yeah, now it's the hard part is have to insert it back in there and tighten it from there with the new bolts, the new nuts and washers. All right guys, I also added this, which is you don't have to, but when you add this, it helps to keep dirt out of your system. Alright guys, remember this is a very dirty job, but I gotta hurry up because there's a storm coming in Denver. Got this reattached back, and I don't know if you can see, but I got it reattached back up there to me. Now it's time to connect all the airlines exactly how the pictures were. Alright guys, I didn't make it, but I got all the airlines reattached. Time to start up the truck. Alright guys, I am all dirty and wet, but guess what guys? I don't hear no air leaks, means I hooked this thing up right, everything filled up. Last test is I'm gonna dump my my bags to see what happens. Let's go check that out. Where's the dump? All right, I can hear it. See if it works. All right, it's dumping, it's working. Yep, they're dumping. Now I'm gonna go see if I can raise it up. Again, I don't hear no air leaks. And as you can see, they are raising up and filling up. Whew. All right, guys, so I stopped raining for a little bit. So as you can see, I hear no air leaks. I'm walking around the entire of my truck. The only thing I need to fix in my truck yet is I use zip ties to stop the air leaks by lifting the air line, and that's by one line that goes into the firewall, the fitting, not the pass-through, which I already changed. I'll explain in another video, but the fitting is bad. I already got it. I just need to, when I get home, I'll do it. And the valves are probably leaking, the release valves, so I'm gonna have to change those as well when I get home. But so far, everything's good. I don't hear a single leak anywhere. Just fantastic. That's how you do it, guys. Now, gotta go get reserved and get a shower because I am dirty and filthy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hopefully this video was helpful. And yeah. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn right. This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.